OpAmp characteristics trainer. In this, you will be having I to V converter, V to I converter, integrated differentiator, summer scaler, and averager. Here we have provided fixed power supply plus 5 volt, minus 12 volt, plus 12 volt, and minus 5 volt. Now coming to I to V converter experiment, here we have given current source. So from the current source, you need to connect it to the I to V converter. So here you will be getting the milliamps current. So connect it to the I to V converter, and here connect to the voltmeter V out, and here you can observe by rotating the current source. So this is the voltage. Coming to V to I converter, here you need to connect plus 5 volts and connect a voltmeter and connect a ammeter, and now slowly rotate the part resistance. So here so this is the V to I converter. Now coming to the summer, here you connect the plus 5 volts from the power supply section, and now connect plus 3 volts, plus 2 volts, and plus 1 volt to the circuit, and here connect a voltmeter at V out. So you can see the output 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6 volts. Now coming to integrator, give the square input to the V in from the function generator, and short the A and B capacitor and C and D. Now here connect V out to the CRO. So you will be getting the integrator output triangle wave. So this is about the OpAmp characteristic trainer.